Today you will learn how to bend this simple text in Adobe Illustrator. Select the text and go to Effect Bar. Here is different option to bend the text. Let me choose the first one. So here is a simple arc effect. You can choose different types of style to bend text. Whichever style you choose, you will get the bend option here. You can adjust the bend as you want. If you are not able to see the preview, click this preview option twice. Now you can easily see the preview that how your bend text will look. So you can adjust the bend as you want. You can choose vertical to bend the text in vertical format. Next option is arc lower. You can increase or decrease the bend value as you want. Choose horizontal or vertical as you want. Here is a bend effect you can use to create logos. Next option is arc upper to bend the text on upper side. So you can play with these options. You have multiple options to bend the text. Here is a flag option. By using this option, you can bend your text like a flag. Now for example, if you have a circle and you want to bend the text on this circle. If you select the type tool and click on this circle, you can see the circle is filled with text. So you have to select this type on a path tool. Now click anywhere on the circle stroke. Illustrator will add the default text, but you can add your own desired text. You can increase the font size like our normal text. If you select the normal type tool, now you can select the text easily. Let me change the text color. If you want to change the position of the text, use this line to move the text. If you drag the line inside, then you can adjust the text within circle. Let me place it here. So I hope you have learned how to bend text in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next.